The Bureau of Customs and the Subic Bay Metropolitan Authority are still facing a blank wall in their investigation of the missing vehicles in Subic. Customs raised the total number of missing vehicles in the Subic Bay Freeport Zone to 2,165. The Customs District Collector for Subic, however, clarifies the distinction between two types of vehicles reported missing. One are those reported with blue plates that are intended for use by companies or locators within the SBMA, while the others are tagged vehicles or those imported second-hand cars intended to be sold in the country. The Supreme Court ruled in October 2007 that imported second-hand cars cannot be sold in the country anymore. This 1996 Isuzu Bighorn is an example of a tagged vehicle that was left here to rot inside SBMA after the government banned the sale of imported cars in 2007. As you can see, this car is already considered junk and useless. And that sticker over there, which was issued by the government 4 years ago, almost unrecognizable. RPN News found some of these second-hand luxury vehicles inside the backyard in SBMA, apparently deemed as useless because they are covered by the ban. RPN also tried to look for blue-plated vehicles, but none was in sight because a source says locators seldom use them. In the BOC's latest inventory of the 1,700 registered blue plates in SBMA, 203 cannot be found, while 1,962 out of the 2,999 tagged vehicles are missing. This brings the total to 2,165 unaccounted vehicles. Customs will release today a demand letter to owners of the missing 203 blue plate vehicles inside the Freeport Zone to produce them.
We will be sending them a demand letter to produce the cars within 5 days. If not, then we will send another demand letter for them to pay the duties and taxes.
SBMA Chairman Roberto Garcia vows to implement stricter measures in issuing blue plates to locators. One of the proposals being considered is the range of frequency identification to monitor the vehicles.
If they put a fake plate, there's no way that we can control that. Now, what we are planning to do is to institute what they call an RFID system, which is what the LTO was proposing before.
The SBMA, in coordination with the BOC, will also conduct frequent inventory of blue plate vehicles inside SBMA. As for the missing tagged vehicles, they will coordinate with the Land Transportation Office to find them through their chassis and engine numbers. Customs Chief Rufy Biazon also asked the help of the Philippine National Police to recover the missing vehicles. Biazon likewise said that initial investigation clears former Subic Customs Collector Marieta Zamoranos from liability because she issued the warrants for seizure and detention orders on the missing cars. April Abelloavi, RPN News.